Hi everyone, Misilla here. So today I'm going to share with you a simple yet delicious cookie dough dip recipe that you will want to try. There are many versions, but I took the time to brown the butter and it gave it this nice authentic cookie flavor. So here is a quick tutorial. I hope that you find it helpful and try it out for yourself. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching everyone, and see you next time. You will need half a cup of butter, half a cup brown sugar, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese softened, 1/3 cup powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla, 2 tablespoons flour, and 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. Melt the butter until slightly browned or has a nutty smell. Go ahead and add a half a cup of sugar, mix it together, and simmer for 4 minutes. Then set it aside to cool. Next step, combine your cream cheese, 2 tablespoons flour, 1/3 cup powdered sugar, and 2 teaspoons vanilla. Going to mix that together. Your brown sugar and butter mixture should look like this. I let this cool for about 10 minutes. So now we're going to combine them with the cream cheese mixture. Stir it together. Use your whisk attachment if you have one. I forgot to use it, so I switched to it. That way your ingredients will be well incorporated together. So let's try this again. So it looks great. Now we're going to fold it into the mini chocolate chips. So I've got 3/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. And just fold it in. So look, it looks like a chocolate chip cookie dough, doesn't it? Let's scoop some up in our little bowl here. You can serve this with any fruit of your choice. So I've got strawberries here. Apples would be great as well. Graham crackers, pretzels. In this case I didn't have pretzels, so I'm using the Pocky Sticks. It already has chocolate, but that makes it more fun. Oops. Delicious.